Hi friends, Dr. Laura Ritchie here. And if you are like me, you may notice that you're not smelling your essential oils as strongly when using the Dawn humidifier. I think there's a reason for that, so I'm going to share a little tip with you. I first heard this tip from Dana Moore. She is a presidential diamond, and she said, I'm 99% sure that the instructions are actually written incorrectly. So when you open up the Dawn, this bottom compartment is the part that has the ultrasonic membrane. This is typically where we add essential oils. Think of diffusers. This is the case also for the Anton humidifier. So what we found is we add the essential oils right to this compartment over that ultrasonic membrane. That's what helps to mix the essential oils in. And then you can apply the top part like so. Maybe. Let's see. I don't want to knock our water over. And you got to line it up just right. There we go. And then you add the water in the top. Now there's a max fill line. So we're going to add that in. What I found, now the instructions say to add the essential oils into this compartment, but I don't think that's correctly. I believe that this is the water tank reserve, and it's the bottom part with that ultrasonic membrane that we want to add our oils to. Since we started switching this up, what we found is that you can smell the essential oils a lot more. It makes a big difference. So what we like to do, you can just turn it. It's got different settings. So this is the low humidifier setting. If you hit it again, medium, you can kind of see the different mists. And then this is the high setting here. What we like to do is turn it on and then push the little moon for the sleep mode setting. And the sleep mode setting will automatically adjust so that there's the perfect level of humidity in the bedroom, especially if you have a noisy sleeper. We like to do breathe, or you could do breathe in lavender in the humidifier, and we love it. But I know I don't have smell-o-vision, but I can smell the Breathe essential oil much better. Whereas before, when I was putting the oils in the water tank, we just weren't smelling it. So you can give it a try. Pretty sure that the instructions are incorrect, but here's a tip on how to use that. And I learned that from Dana Moore. Hope you found this helpful. Have a good evening, everybody. Bye.